market is crashing, you want that this stock is going up or any stock is going up. And looking through the portfolio today, I saw, wow, Opendoor is actually having a great day, right? It's not down, right? So we will talk about that. We will talk about the stock and the stock chart. So stay tuned. Let's go.
Welcome to the game. I'm the Wolf of Dubai.
My name is Danny, and I am buying stocks when they try to, or I buy, usually they go down, and then I buy more, and then I average down more, and then I actually become very wealthy doing so. My subscribers was on my journey through Tesla, Palantir, Nvidia, and so on, and they bought even houses and apartments, so maybe you should follow me. And also, imagine what I can do for my private trading group where we use our software to trade all automatically for you, but it's not an algorithm. It's humans, the whole professional day trading team, and our members are banking, as you can see here. And you can see that I get messages like this from Yaron from Israel. He made $7,000 in one day trading 2 accounts, which is absolutely insane. And imagine what we can do for you. So check it out. The minimum is $10,000. Some people start with 50, 100. So that's totally up to you. We trade only in your account, so the money stays always in your account. And it's we're doing this for 4 years, and we're having incredible results, right? So if this is interesting for you, check out the link into the description, the first link into the comments, and then we see what is going on. So now, with that said, let's dive into the chart of Opendoor and let's see what's going on, what are the more important levels, and then after we will talk about why Opendoor could be so strong.
Is essentially doing quite well in this kind of very, very weak market, isn't it? I mean, like, look at this. We also here, you can see this is the RSI, okay? So it shows you oversold and overbought conditions. Here, obviously, it was very overbought, so it dropped, right? Here, it started to be overbought as well. It dropped, right? But since about like January 9th, we are on this downside, but you can see here, everything is red except Opendoor, right? So the buyers are so strong, and we could actually saw that the bottom is formed here in the last few days where the RSI, went very, very low. And even it went lower to today's lowest, 466 so far, we went higher in the RSI, which is very, very good positioning. This means like this is very, very interesting, bullish signs, right? Let's look at some levels. So if you look into the chart, let's say the 6 months, you can see here there's a couple of levels that I have put there already. Okay, so here's now an important level. You can see here, this is actually also where we bounced today. So you can see here, that's another level. But I think that once we reclaim that and we go over $5-6, then we should be good to go a little bit higher as well to 7, 8, 9, right? So that's essentially very, very interesting here. Let me just see if we can have like a very interesting trend line somewhere here, right? So let's have a look if we can extend it even more, right? So somewhere here. So you see, once we reclaim, as further we go, as lower we have to reclaim, right? So let's say mid of March, we just have to break 6. Let's say mid of this month, 15, 16, 17 of February, we would need to break like 7, okay? That would be essentially a very, very good point here. So yeah, so what is really important here is this is a meme stock, right? So it's very, very volatile, right? So you have moves of, let's say, 7th to 12th of November. We went from 5 to a double almost, okay? Here, another one, 20th of November till 26th of November, we went 6 to 8, okay? Very big move, right? Another big move was here. This was 30th of December from 550 approximately to almost 8, right? 50%, almost 60% move, right? 70%. So you can see here that I believe that let the market vomit a little bit. Let it just puke out the weak hands. Let's just have this amazing buying opportunity here. Obviously, once we break through these levels, and I think this one is also an important level. So in case we break roughly 4. Then we could see next level somewhere here, which is 3, which is full numbers are always like big psychological levels. Okay, so 250, another level here, right? Somewhere. And then another level, most probably, yeah, 2 or 150. Here you can see also a volume shelf. So yes, you can see here that those are the levels that I'm watching. But yeah, this is great to see. If everything is red and your stock is being green on such a day, this is strong, guys. Okay, this is a very strong statement here. So I really like it. Let me know in the comments what you do with Open and how much it represents from your portfolio. And yeah, let's freaking go.
So as you can see, Opendoor is so strong because of a couple of things. I think that people are holding to this name because they feel like, well, I bought at 3, I bought at 4, so I can still hold, right? A lot of people bought at 3, a lot of people bought at 4 and 5. So I think that the baseline for the stock for many people is exactly where we are now. So they're not so scared. They are not so, wow, I need to do something. So I feel like this is one of the reasons. The second reason is that a meme stock always have tremendous power. Obviously, people saying, wow, the stock price is so low that I can afford to hold it a little bit longer with versus and like a psychology. Let's say you buy a $200 stock and it goes to 200, you are like a little bit, it was 200. So it's $100, drop versus a company that is $5 and it has a $1 drop. Yeah, $1 is, you got it what I mean? Like that's why people and CEOs and companies also split their stock to make it psychological very cheap for the investor, right? So you can see that this is very, very interesting. And I feel that this is very, very strong what could be done here. And I feel that we could have kind of the bottom in the market somewhere around here. And then obviously Open will be on one of the biggest runs that you have ever seen. If you want to be part of it, check it out. Check out xnDayTrading.com, link into the description, link into the comments. And also, I see you tomorrow for a brand new video here on Opendoor. And don't forget, the grass is greener always on the other side.